I've got Google Drive open in two places right now. They're the same thing. My file here and also the website here. So in my computer, I just went to my computer and I went to Google Drive file stream and then my drive, and I can see all my files here. And there you can see, like, look here, advisory, those are the same folders that I have right here. So they are kept in sync because of this app right here that I have running and described here in this document. So now what I'm going to be doing now is walking you through how to share a couple different types of files. Let's share a file with a class. Let's share a file with parents that might not have Google accounts. Let's take a video from my phone and share that with parents as well. And let's also add some links up to files onto my portal page so people could click on stuff and a growing record of things. Okay, I've got some important information here. Let's say this is important information for parents. Okay, now I want to share this with everybody, and I want to share it with people that might not have a Google Drive or Google account at all. So no login should be required. And I don't want them to edit it. I want them only to view it. So I'm going to go ahead and press the share button here. Now I'm going to walk you through how to do this in a few ways. Let's first try share button here. And I bring up a familiar dialog. I'm going to go to advanced. And here I am. And right now, only I can access it. Okay? That's the default setting. Got it. I'm going to change that. Now, I want anyone at all with the link to be able to view it, right? So anyone, no sign required, can view. Cool. I'm going to save that. Now I'm going to copy this link, and then I'm going to paste it in an email to my parents. And they don't need to view it. And let's test to see if this will work. So I'm going to open up an incognito window. And the special thing about an incognito window is that I'm not logged into anything. So this is what a stranger would see. So now if I paste that, Control V, and press Enter, so now I can see me over in the other browser logged in. And here, back here, I can see, if I press Done, I can see someone anonymous, an anonymous Kiwi, has logged into this document and is looking at it. So that worked. I went to Share, I went to Advanced, I set it so anyone at the link can view. But what if I want anyone at all in the world can edit? That would be weird and a little bit risky because someone could just click on the link and delete everything. Fun fact, pro tip, if someone did do that, if you click this, you can see the version history of what happened, and you can back it up to a previous version of things. But that's an extra little piece of info. Instead, I can press share. Anyone at all with the link can view. I can go to advanced, go to change. Anyone at all with a link can edit. Whoa, cool. So now, if I go back to my anonymous Kiwi window, where is that? Here. So right now, I'm only viewing. But if I refresh this window, now I can edit. So I just type that in, and let's go here, back here, and so now I can see it here in my own account. I can also see this file and do all the same things right from my Google Drive here. I can right-click and share here, and I can do these. I can make the same changes. So, for example, if I want to change that so anyone with the link can only view again, that's it. Or let's just say only Gilmore Academy students or Gilmore Academy accounts should be able to view it. That'll cut off anyone without at Gilmore.org. That means you have to log in. But that might actually be the perfect thing for posting it onto my portal. If I copy this link or right-click and copy, then I can now go to my portal and paste that link into an assignment details. For example, I could go to assignment and press the link, and I could paste that there, and I could say view this document, and now they could be able to view it. And the same thing goes for a recorded video. If I have a video on my phone that I take and I want to share it with parents or students or someone, then I can follow the following steps. After I record the video, I'm going to share it. And this is all in the WeVideo section. I'll share the video. And then if Google Drive isn't one of these options, you'll need the Google Drive app on your phone. It's free on the App Store on Google and on Android and on iOS. So get the Google Drive app and then select more. Select the Google Drive app. There it is, and then it'll ask you where you want to save the file. So if you're organized and has separate folders, that's great. Or you can just drop it in loosey-goosey. And then over on the Google Drive phone app or on Google Drive here, just right-click on that file wherever you found it. Where did I stick that video file? So let's just pretend this is it. Here it is. This recording, and I'll go to Share with Google Drive. And now it's already set. Anyone at all with a link can view. Or I could go to Advanced and set it that way. Now I'll copy this and I can email it out, or I could include it on my portal somewhere. It's that easy. So give it a try and let me know if you have any questions.